Welcome to the Emerald Isle, where every corner is steeped in history, natural beauty, and a touch of magic. Today, we're taking you on a whirlwind tour of Ireland's must-see destinations. First stop, the Cliffs of Moher. These breathtaking cliffs rise over 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean, offering stunning panoramic views that will leave you speechless. On a clear day, you can see the Aran Islands and even the mountains of Connemara. Next, we head to the vibrant city of Galway. Known for its bohemian vibe, bustling streets, and fantastic live music scene, Galway is the heart of Irish culture. Don't miss the Latin Quarter with its colorful shops and cozy pubs. No trip to Ireland is complete without a visit to Blarney Castle. Built nearly 600 years ago, this iconic fortress is home to the legendary Blarney Stone. Pucker up and give it a kiss to gain the gift of eloquence. Explore the castle's beautiful gardens and learn about its fascinating history. Heading north, we find the Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder that will blow your mind. These 40,000 interlocking basalt columns were formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago. Legend has it that they were created by the giant Finn McCool as a pathway to Scotland. Of course, we can't forget Dublin. This is Ireland's vibrant capital. Start your visit at Trinity College to see the ancient Book of Kells, then stroll through the lively streets of Temple Bar, packed with pubs, restaurants, and cultural hotspots. Don't miss a pint of Guinness at the Guinness Storehouse. For those who love a good road trip, the Ring of Kerry is an absolute must. This 179-kilometer circular route through County Kerry offers some of Ireland's most spectacular scenery, from rugged coastlines and lush green landscapes to charming villages. It's the perfect way to experience the wild beauty of Ireland. But what truly makes Ireland special is its people. The warmth and friendliness of the Irish are legendary. Whether you're enjoying a traditional music session in a cozy pub, exploring ancient ruins, or just soaking in the stunning landscapes, you'll feel right at home in Ireland. So there you have it, folks. Ireland is a land of enchantment, history, and breathtaking beauty. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, there's always something new to discover. Thanks for joining us on this magical journey. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe for more travel videos.